and here I am, continuing to explore Dublin. As usual, I have a lot on my to-do and to-see list, so let's return to the city. I really want to visit the Trinity College. I heard that it's actually free, like the visitor access, but you have to pay if you want to visit the library. But it's apparently worth visiting also. So let's see. Trinity College is the oldest university in Ireland and was established by Queen Elizabeth I. It's needless to say that it's very prestigious. But I came here to visit it, the library. The library at Trinity College is home to the Book of Kells, a famous illuminated manuscript gospel book in Latin. It's believed to have been created around 800 AD. On the ground floor, you can learn about the book itself and also get some general information about the library. But if you go up, you'll see it right away. The old library lawn room at Trinity College is truly stunning. It houses over 200,000 of the library's oldest books. The lawn room is almost 65 meters in length and is lined with the marble busts of famous philosophers, writers, and scholars. An impressive installation featuring imagery of the Earth's surface from NASA is currently on display at Trinity College Dublin. The artist's intention is to draw visitors' attention to planetary health. At the very end of the library, you'll find the Book of Kells and some interesting facts about the library, the book order, and some facts about the building. I was also lucky to be around during a graduation. Trinity College has produced many notable alumni, including writers such as Samuel Beckett and Oscar Wilde. The famous author of Dracula was a student at Trinity College as well. So I just visited the library. It's called the Book of Kells and the Lawn Room. What can I say? It's a bit pricey. It's 19 euros, and it's just basically a small museum and a lawn room, with old books. I bought it with a ticket. I bought it with a student discount. It was 16 euros. I think for 16 euros it's alright. And the security didn't check my student ID, so I'm not encouraging you to break rules, but if you look like a student, you might want to benefit from a student discount, even if you're not a student. One peculiar thing was also that the lawn room that was supposed to be full of books was actually half empty, but it didn't make it any less beautiful. The next place I accidentally found was this Cloud9 cafe. I assumed it would be super expensive, but it was just as any other place, but pinkier, which is good. My next stop was Dublin Castle. I heard that it's more boring than interesting inside, that's why I went straight to the gardens. At the heart of the gardens, there are patterns representing sea serpents cut into the lawn. This lawn is on or near the site of original Dublin or Black Pool. It was this pool that gave the name to the city, Dublin. Here is also the Spire of Dublin that was built to commemorate a new millennium. Apparently, it's better known as a needless needle or a pointless point.
Hello, good morning. It's my last day in Dublin and I'm sad. I'm always sad when it comes to the end. I planned to visit the Archeological Museum I mentioned earlier and maybe St. Patrick's Cathedral. Also, a good to know thing is that all public museums are free. You're completely free to visit the Archaeological Museum, the Museum of Ireland, maybe some National Gallery I heard. So definitely do your research what you like to visit because, it doesn't cost a penny.
My last stop was at the Archaeological Museum. I want to mention that the hall is just stunning and all the objects there are super interesting to examine. But what I love the most about the city center are those plates on the ground depicting some Viking objects that were found on that very place. And here, for example, people preserved an outline of a house that was standing there some time ago.
The seatbelt sign is switched off. You may use larger electronic devices.
And here I am very sad but inspired, heading back home. Give me a thumbs up if you liked this video and subscribe to this channel.